Alrighty. Um, this is Ryan with El Toro. I apologize for the lateness of this video, but looking forward to working together moving forward here. And this is the intro model that we built for you all, but look forward to adding greatly to this as we continue. So essentially what we've done is we've taken all of the customers that you sent us, both MTI and SmartTrader, and we put them in our system. And what I can show is kind of what that looks like. So when we take one of your friends, these yellow dots are what we consider to be a one of your customers, right? And then what we do is we add these people into our system, and then we're able to look at this person right here, and we're able to use our technology on their house to see all devices seen inside of this home because technically we have this belief that typically we do what our friends do a lot of the time. So when we take customers who are already signed up for your service, we want to have the ability to serve digital ads to those friends. And so this is one of those customers. And we captured these two other dots here, which are two households that were seen at this household. And so we're able to serve them advertisements. Really, the only goal of the Friends model is to be able to segment the market in different ways. And so, when I look at this person right here, we're able to see this is a clear spread. So this person right here is an ideal. This is an ideal customer. So you have given us this dot. We now have you have given us this household. We now see these other households in this household often, and so we're now going to be able to serve digital ads to all of them. Once we start getting deeper, we're going to be able to segment the market based on different variables. And so if I go to is a friend, so now I'm excluding all of your customers. We don't want to retarget your customers who have already signed up. So we'll notice now I'm only looking at friends. And then we also have this count on here as normal. So you'll notice this count changes by a massive amount. So really, from just your amount of customers you've given us, we found 118,000 unique people seen at the households of your customers. But I put on this filter for normal amount of friends seen. So really what we're doing at El Toro is we're determining what a normal amount of friends is based upon how many devices are seen at one of your customers' households. And if we see devices at one of your customers' households greater than 60 times in a month, then we kick that person out because no one has 60 unique friends coming over their house in a month. And so really we're constantly tweaking with these human behavior characteristics. How many friends does someone have? How often do those friends come over? Things like that where we can discuss with you all as well to be able to better determine who these people we want to target are. So in theory here, if I wanted to target all single friends of your customers that have a normal amount of friends seen, then I would be able to target these 3,320 people and serve digital ads to not only their mobile device, but to their household. We can then even get more granular in this group of 3,320. We could serve to only clerical and white collar type people. There's 452 of them. So really the main emphasis of what I wanted to show was for you all to be able to, segment the market in different ways. I mean, really all this view is doing is just showing where your customers are situated and located, and we could do that spread here. So please feel free to reach out if you have any specific questions. Look forward to discussing this further. And really what we're going to be looking forward to is gathering the more data for any of our models, the better. And then really we're going to be able to not only add more to this, but we'll be able to add data from reverse append, data from